Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Google Analytics 4 data using OAuth securely, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Google Analytics 4 data using OAuth securely, start by navigating to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project or choose an existing project from your dashboard. Once inside your project, go to the APIs and Services section. Click on Library to find the relevant APIs. Search for Google Analytics Admin API and enable it for your project. Next, click on OAuth Consent screen in the sidebar. Select the user type for your application, either internal or external. Fill out the required fields such as app name, user support email, and developer contact information. After that, navigate to the Credentials tab on the sidebar. Click on Create Credentials and choose OAuth 2.0 Client IDs. You will need to configure the consent screen and set up the application type. Select Web Application from the Application Type options. Enter a name for your OAuth 2.0 client. In the Authorized Redirect URIs section, include the. Once you have completed the form, click on Create. Save your client ID and client secret to a Next, set up your application to initiate the OAuth flow. Direct users to the authorization URL, using your client ID as a parameter. After the user consents, they will be redirected to your specified redirect URI. Your application will receive an authorization code in the redirect URL. Using this authorization code, send a request to the token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code in the request. Upon successful authentication, you will receive an access token along with a refresh token. Use this access token to make authorized requests to the Google Analytics API. Implement a mechanism to refresh the access token using the refresh token when it expires. Test your setup to ensure that you can successfully authenticate and retrieve data from Google Analytics 4. Always follow best practices for security, including storing client secrets securely. Regularly review and update your OAuth configurations as needed. By following these steps, you can securely authenticate Google Analytics 4 data using OAuth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.